Welcome to another video, guys. Today I am in our farm. This is chicks are eating some banana leaf. Some piglets. This is some other pig with our piglets. And food. It's very difficult to feed them. Sometimes we didn't get the food to feed them. That rice we call in Borobri. It's a waste rice that is been thrown after the when it's prepared. I've shown you in the previous video. So we have to cook a rice for them if you don't get that food. Right now I have given them some, what do you call, banana leaves. Look at them. These are male. That's a male. Most probably this one is female, I guess. Mother, she gave birth, so she cannot eat. This will take some more time to be able to eat very properly. She's very thin. She looks like she has eaten for days, but it's not like that. The more we give, she cannot eat it because she has given birth some piglets, so she will take some more days or months to be able to eat properly. Look at this area.